Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. As I am your teacher with the second lecture of the chapter Creating Charts in Excel 2013. In today's lecture, we'll discuss about chart components and elements. These are data table, x-axis, y-axis, chart title, chart area, plot area, legend, grid lines, data label. So let's see these components in a sheet. You can see a table is given in the sheet. Number of years and revenue and expenditure details is given. We have created this chart from this table. So let's discuss chart components. Data table, you can see it refers to the set of data values from which the chart is derived. X-axis, this one, you can see it is the horizontal axis of the chart and also known as the category axis. Number of years is given here. Y-axis, it is the vertical axis of the chart, also known as the value axis, and the value of each data point is plotted on the axis. Chart title, you can see it is usually placed at the top of the chart and helps the user to understand what the chart represents. Axis title, you can see it is a horizontal axis title and it is a vertical axis title. It is year and it is amount in rupees. Means it is a title given to an axis. Chart area, you can see it refers to the area within which all chart components are placed and it is surrounded by a border. Plot area, this one you can see it is the rectangular area bounded by two axes, the y-axis and x-axis. And legend, this one, it identifies the data series. A unique color or pattern is assigned to each series to make it easier to distinguish them visually. Grid lines that run across the plot area from each category on the x-axis and from each value on the y-axis, and they make it easier to identify the value of each data point on the chart. And data label, this one you can see a label that provides additional information about a data point on a chart. If you want to add or make any change in this chart elements, you can go on design tab. How is it possible? Let's see. As soon as you select your chart, you can see a design tab appears, and in design tab you can, by clicking on it, you can see add chart elements in chart layouts group. You can add these chart elements or make any change of your choice. At the same time, you can see at the right side of your chart three buttons appeared. By clicking on this first button, you can get your chart elements, and by clicking on these elements you can make changes and their in their position and in their names. In chart styles, you can change the style of your chart of your own choice, and by clicking on quick layout you can quickly add your chart elements in the chart. At the same time, in data group you can see switch row column. By clicking on it, you can switch your rows and columns to your new position, and by clicking on type group, change chart type, you can change your chart type too. At the same time, by clicking on the format tab, you can have different options. Like for example, if you click on the chart title and by clicking on shape fill, you can fill it with any color of your choice. Same with access titles, choice is yours. You can add any shape fill. You can also add word art styles too and shape outline which you want. Shape styles, and at the same time your you can fill your shape with any color. For example, this is your shape. You can fill it of any color of your own choice. It's a very interesting sort of practical. You can enjoy it and do practice it more and more to make yourself perfect. Thank you. Take care.